Bundaberg, a place of rich volcanic soil, a place where nature meets urbanization, where the world's most famous rum comes from, a place where aeronautic marvels have occurred, a place of mystery, a place like no other.
Welcome to A5.
Welcome to the beautiful Bundaberg. Welcome to A5. Today we're in Bundaberg, and this documentary is one of a three-part series about the beautiful Bundaberg. During this episode, we will be investigating how Bundaberg rum is made. Unfortunately, we were not allowed to take footage of inside the factory. However, we will still discuss the history of the great rum factory and how rum is made. The Bundaberg Rum Distillery officially opened in 1888, 100 years after the first fleet. However, the history of this rum distillery goes a little further back. During 1883, Spring Hill House was originally constructed on the Spring Hill cane plantation, which was constructed 8 kilometers away from the future Enough history. The question is, how is rum made? Well, it first starts when sugarcane is planted in the volcanic soil of Bundaberg. Once the sugarcane has been planted, It will be cut and taken to sugar mills and are chopped into small pieces and are shredded. Next, the remains are squeezed between some heavy rollers at high pressure to ensure that all the sugary juice is extracted from the sugarcane. Next, the juice has some lime added to it and is heated for a large amount of time. This allows any impurities, such as dirt, to sink to the bottom. This is known as the filter press. The muddy substance at the bottom is then whisked away and given back to the farmer as fertilizer. After, a centrifuge extracts all the sugar crystals from the juice by spinning it around and around. The substance left over is thick, black, and viscous. It is called molasses and is used to make Bundaberg rum. Next, water and yeast, scientifically known as Saccharomyces cerevisiae, is added. The next step for making Bundaberg rum is fermentation. The molasses is pumped with the yeast solution and water into wells and stays there for 36 hours. The fermented molasses mixture emerges at 8% or 10% alcohol by volume. Finally, the fermented liquid is distillated twice and is left for at least 1 year. In summary, creating rum is a hazardous but an interesting and scientific process where fungi called yeasts ferment molasses and produce alcohol. And the biggest rum factory in the world is right here in Bundaberg. Bundaberg is truly beautiful.